Hello kids, welcome to K Study Point. Today we learn how to draw flower pot with colors. Draw flower pot with colors. These are colors. Black color, pink, blue, pink, dark green, brown, light green, yellow, orange, red. These are colors. Lovely, lovely colors. Brown color for pot. Brown color for pot. Flower pot, brown color. Pot, brown color. Light green color, leaves. Light green color, leaves. Leaves. Dark green color for shades. Light green color for second leaf. Yellow color. Red color for flowers. For flowers. Red color. Pink color for second flower. Third flower, orange color. Bye bye kids, please like and subscribe.